What's going on, guys and gals? Brad here for LaytonSportsCards. We're ripping one Almanac personal box for Bryan B. Yeah, that's Cortez. 3 times, whatever number ends up on top, that'll be the number of your box. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. 156. One sec. $156. All the way at the bottom. You know what would be real help right now? Is if I had somebody here that could hold these against the wall so they don't fall over. All right, 156. Probably still clocked in. And 2020 Panini 1 Football. RPA Justin Jefferson. 33 of 149. Nice Jefferson. And there you go, Bryan B. Get it right out to you, man. Thanks.